Part A, I have discussed one question regarding the quadrilaterals, and today I'll be question on quadrilateral. So let's begin with the question. So this is my question that construct a quadrilateral PQRS. So as it is mentioned quadrilateral, so does not have a definite shape or regular shape which is named. So it is an irregular quadrilateral. That means it has a irregular shape but has four edges and four sides. So we have been given with some measurements and angle, that is PQ is 5.3 centimeter, QR is 6.3 centimeter, RS is 6.7 centimeter, PQR is 75 degrees, and QRS is 60 degrees. So there are two angles and three sides given to us, three lengths given to us, and we will be using these to draw this quadrilateral. So let's look at the steps of construction. That we will first construct the line segment 5.3 centimeter and name it PQ. After that, we will place the sharp point of the compass at Q and make an arc of 6.3 centimeter above Q. After that, we will place the protector at point Q and construct an angle of 75 degree and extend that line to cut the previous arc and name it R. After that, we will place the sharp point of the compass at R and make an arc of 6.7 centimeter on left side of point R. Then we will place the projector at R and construct an angle of 60 degrees and extend that line to cut the previous arc and name it S. After that, we will join P and S to obtain our quadrilateral, which is PQRS. So this is how we will obtain a quadrilateral, and we will now look at on a piece of paper.
So now we will be drawing a quadrilateral with three sides given and two angles given to us. So firstly draw a tentative quadrilateral, that means a figure with four sides, and we will name it PQRS. So that we can understand which are the edges and which are the diagonals in the given lengths. So when we talk about this, that PQ is the length of the side of one side, and then when you talk about QR, it is another side, and when we talk about RS, it is another side as well. So there is no diagonal given in this question, so we can draw accordingly. So firstly we will place our scale and we will make a line of 5.3 centimeter and we will name it PQ. 5.3 centimeters. After this, we need to draw the angles and we need to draw the lengths. So when I talk about this is done, and when I talk about this second length, that is QR, we need to draw 6.3 centimeter from here Q till somewhere here R. So we will open up the compass of 6.3 centimeters. This is 6.3. We will keep it at Q and we will make an arc. Okay, now after this let's see which angle would be present here. That is this is P, this is Q, and this would be something as R. So this is PQR, that is 75 degrees. So we can place our protector here at Q. Okay, and we will as the line is on the left hand side, we will start from here the 0 and we need to point out at 75 degrees, and then we will extend this line to cut our arc. This would be point R, and this is 75 degrees. This is 6.3 centimeters. So these three things are done, and two things are remaining to make point S somewhere here. We know that the distance from R to S is 6.7. So R and S would be somewhere here, according to this quadrilateral tentatively we drawn. So this is 6.7. So we need to open up our compass till 6.7. This is 6.7, and then we will keep it at R, and we will draw an arc here on the left hand side. After this, we know that this is done, and now we know that the angle QRS is 60 degrees. So angle QR and here somewhere S, so we need to make an angle from here. So this would be our baseline. We will keep our protector here at R, keeping this line as a baseline, and as the baseline is here, so this 0 would be counted, and we need to measure 60 degrees. So we will measure 60 degrees here. So now this arc is a bit small one, so we will extend it like till here, and after that we will join this point, this 60 degree mark, and this arc. So this is our point, that is S. So this is PQRS. Now we have all the four edges of PQRS. We will join this PS to obtain our quadrilateral. So this is 60 degrees. This was 6.7 centimeter, and this is, you have made it. I can measure it from here, that it is something around 1.5 till 1.7. It can come depending upon your accuracy. So this is how you obtain a quadrilateral, and this is any quadrilateral. It does not have any specific shape, like we cannot call it trapezium, rhombus, or parallelogram, or rectangle. It is not following any properties. It is any quadrilateral with four of its edges. So this is how you draw a quadrilateral with three sides and two angles given to you.
So after the construction, we have obtained this quadrilateral, and this is PQRS, and this is angle 60 degrees, this is 75 degrees, and these are the lengths which were mentioned in the question. Now my question was to find the length of PR, and this is PR, so I have connected it with a dotted line, with a line. You can make a full line as well, and then you need to measure it with the help of the ruler, the length of PR. In my case it was 7.1 centimeter, and after that we need to measure the angle RPS. So this is R, this is P, and this is S. So we need to measure this angle, and we can place our protector here, and we can measure this RPS. This angle turns out to be 70 degrees. So this is a quadrilateral. It has four sides, and this is not any definite shape which can be named. So I'll be coming up with one more type of quadrilateral, that would be trapezium, and so stay tuned for that.